everybody, hope all are doing good. Many of you were asking me to make a half kg cake, and so here it is. You will need 2 eggs and half a cup of sugar. Start to beat off the egg in low speed. Add sugar little by little. Once you have completely added the sugar, increase the speed from low to high. And keep beating for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. You need half a cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. To the egg mixture, add 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Give a good mix. Now let's add our dry ingredients. Always while mixing, make sure you're mixing in the same direction. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. A cake will be ready in 25 minutes as it's a half kg cake. Now let's start off whipping our cream. You need half a cup of whipped cream and half a cup of icing sugar. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and start to beat the cream in a low speed. You will be able to see lines appearing on the cream. At that point of time, increase the speed to the max. Beat for about 4 to 5 minutes on high speed. The cream will start getting thicker and forms gaps on its own. That's when we know our cream is ready. The cream isn't standing stiff, hence we have to beat for some more time and check whether it's forming gaps. lumps are forming, you can stop off beating the cream. Our cream is ready. Let's start off with the icing. We are making white forest today, and hence I've grated some white chocolates. Layer the cake. Soak with some sugar syrup. A layer of cream. You can add the chocolate chunks in between just to get a bite of it while eating the cake. And repeat the process for all the layers. Create your own patterns. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.